Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Limitless Entertainment, and today I got a video showing why your Minecraft might be crashing every time you activate or use a piston. So the reason why this is happening to you is most likely because you're using either a shader, a texture pack, a mod, or even an add-on. And the reason why this ends up happening is because whatever of those four that you're using, it's basically causing the game to crash because Minecraft doesn't really know what to do with basically like an external mod or something, and it causes the game to basically lag out like a whole lot, and then that causes the game to crash. So the only way to really fix this is by actually just turning off whatever external mod or shader that you're using on Minecraft. And what that will do is just load you back into like the default Minecraft texture pack, and obviously that will not crash your game because the piston works just fine. And at the end of this clip, I'll actually show me using the piston while using a shader, and you'll actually see my game crash. And yeah, that's basically like the only way to fix it, unfortunately. But yeah, that's the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time.
No, I'm really just